In this video, we're going to learn how to make a payment to the Indiana Department of Revenue utilizing the InTime platform. First, you're going to Google Make an Indiana Tax Payment. You're going to want to look for the link that says Payments and Billing. From here, it's going to give you the different payments you can make. You can make an estimated payment, you can pay a bill or a notice, you can make a payment for your Indiana tax return. And that's what we're going to select here. Then we're going to pay through the InTime program. We are making a non-bill payment. And you have two options. You can choose to use a bank account using your checking, routing, and account number. Or for a fee, you can use your credit card. The process is the same right up until you put in the payment method. So we're just going to select bank payment. For those that have a business, and you're making a business payment, you'll check the business. For the others, it will be just an individual tax payment. This window here is where it's going to ask you to input a tax ID number. You're going to input your social security number, your first and last name, your middle name, and then the payment type. And this is where if you're making an estimated tax payment, you'll hit estimate. If you're trying to pay your balance due by April 15th, then you're going to select return payment. Once you get to this screen, you'll input your routing number, account number, the account type, and then you're going to pick the period. So if you're trying to make a payment for your 2023 tax return, then you're going to select this 31 December 2023 option. Then you can input a payment date as long as it's before April 15th, and then the amount due. Then you'll hit next. It'll give you a summary page, and then you'll hit submit, and you'll have paid your Indiana taxes.